Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the words beginning with the sound of the letter F. In this lesson, you will be able to recognize pictures and words beginning with the sound of the letter F. Are you ready? F is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter F. How to write the uppercase letter F? Use 3 strokes to write the uppercase letter F. Start at the blue headline. Pull down straight to the blue baseline. Lift. Go back to the starting point. Slide right. Lift. Start at the red midline. Slide right, stop short. This is a lowercase letter F. How to write the lowercase letter F? Use 2 strokes to write the lowercase letter F. Start below the blue headline. Curve back left. Pull down straight to the blue baseline. Lift. Start at the red midline. Slide right. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter F. F is a consonant and it has a sound. Do you know the sound of the letter F? The letter F sounds as
My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out.
Read the consonant-vowel pair with which the name of each picture begins. A, fa, fan. E, fe, fed. E, fee, fish. O, fo, fox. O, fo, fun. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fo. Fe, fa, fi, fa, fo. Fo, fi, fe, fa, fo. Fo, fa, fi, fe, fa. Now it's your turn. Well done. Family. Fan. Farm. Farmer. Fast. Fat. Fed. Fence. Fish. Fisherman. Fin. Fog. Fork. Fox. Forest. Fan. Once again, these are the words beginning with the sound of the letter F. Family, fan, farm, farmer, fast, fat. Fed, fence, fin, fish, fisherman, fag, forest, fork, fox, fan. More words beginning with the sound of the letter F. 5, 4, feet, flute, fire, flower, flag, frog, fruits, fairy, fall, floor, fly, food, frame, football. Are you ready? Say the name of each picture and circle the consonant-vowel pair with which each name begins. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is fin. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is fan. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is fed. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is fork. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is fa, family. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is fo, fox. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is fo, forest. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is fa, farm. Write the name of the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter F. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. These are the pictures whose names begin with the sound of the letter F. Flag, frog, 5, fly, foot, flower. You may now practice writing the letter F on your notebook. You may take picture of your output and upload it in the comment section.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.